Hello everyone, my name is Damilola, a proud parent committed to teaching my children the Yoruba language and culture in my own little way. I deeply cherish my roots, my culture, my heritage. Most importantly, I take pride in being able to communicate effectively in my native language, which is Yoruba. I can speak, read, and write fluently, and this has become a core family value, which, by the grace of God, I am determined to pass on to my children. Now, over the years, I have realized that so many children, especially those in the diaspora, have lost total touch with their heritage, particularly the language. And this has inspired me, it has informed my decisions to take practical and intentional steps to teach my children Yoruba language. In doing so, I believe that other children will also benefit from this, and even adults, as the case may be, because I've met a number of adults who, although were born and raised in Nigeria, in the Southwest, can't even communicate effectively in Yoruba. I also believe that learning could come at any stage of one's life. And the most important thing is to embrace learning. It's to keep an open mind, believing that you can actually learn it as a teenager or as an older person. I have a friend who learned Yoruba when she was 28 or so. And even though she does not have that complete accent, she can speak almost everything and she understands everything. So it is up to us to keep an open mind and embrace the learning. This is also me contributing my quota to promoting our rich heritage. I know this is a journey of 1,000 miles, but I've decided to take the first little steps, which is from teaching the very basics to everyday conversations, activities, and much more. I promise you it's going to be fun. Let's learn together. Thank you.